Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, soy le bienvenue dans ma page. Hola, ¿cómo estás? L'espagnol avec le français. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Today's video is, as you can tell, the brown lips, the brown skin, jacked up edges, ashy hair. It's all about that today. Yes, I am proud to admit. Guys are watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to keep it short, je vais arrêter de parler parce que j'ai pas beaucoup. Okay. Let's send it to the voiceover because I'm being awkward. So to start it off, I will be starting off my face with my two favorite primer. My Stay Matte RIMMEL London is a RIMMEL London primer along with my black OPAL primer. I mixed those two together. And why am I talking like this? Anyway, I mixed those two together, and for my eyebrows, sis, we ain't gonna talk about my eyebrows, okay? I was so impatient, and my eyebrows get me. Oh, I can't stand my eyebrows sometimes. They're just too bushy. Like, I just don't like that. Like, those are some natural brows, and if you pluck them too much, you look like an African auntie, and it's just like, ugh. But anyway, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use that for my lids to prime my lids. I actually have a eyeshadow primer, but I find it easier and a lot more useful when I use a concealer as my eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to use that same concealer, and I'm going to prime the rest of my face. People like using the red corrector. I forgot what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's called the red corrector. But for me, I like to use the yellow corrector because I feel like when you conceal with the yellow one, when my foundation oxidizes, I don't look red. I look like a neutral skin tone, if that even makes sense. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, sis, calm down. Okay, calm down. I'm going to get together. I'm going to be using my black OPAL foundation stick. Was it foundation stick? I just say it is foundation stick. Girl. Okay, Nike check on the cheek. You see that? One thing I am going to say about this foundation is I would never use it again. This foundation stick sucks. Okay, it sucks booty. Okay, I don't care how many reviews you hear about this foundation. It sucks booty. I didn't like it. I didn't like it, and you were probably saying, why are you wearing it then? Because at the time, I didn't know that it was going to do this to me, okay? Okay, sis? So calm down. I am going to say, it's kind of hard to get it to blend if you have your edges done, because once it hits that little head spot where your edges is, that even made sense. It's kind of hard to get the foundation off. The double chin, sis, we're going to get it together. But anyway, with the foundation, I did notice that I had to, blend it well with a foundation stick or a brush. It blends a lot better if you use a brush and not a sponge, or you can mix it with a different foundation. So it's all up to you if you like it. I personally didn't like it. I was oily during the day, and it felt disgusting. I felt like I was wearing a mask. But anyway, along with my makeup tutorial, I did use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my face, and today I'm gonna use a Sacha Buttercup. We ain't gonna do that because that cost me a whole $20. We don't do that. We don't do the little blowing it and whatnot. And there you go, my mom's talking. Now that we got mother's voice out of the voiceover, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my face, because during the summer I like to set my face first. And before we go in, girl, that's calling for a contour moment, okay? When I see that, that means tu manges beaucoup, hein? Tu ne manges beaucoup. Arrête de manger toutes les pizzas, manger vraiment très tard. Aujourd'hui à Bélé, madame est comme yo boy. So I'm gonna contour because I've been eating a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna use my off contour brush that I need to give up and buy new brushes, because I've had this brush for almost a couple years now. Maybe it's because I don't wear makeup as much anymore, but that brush has lasted me a while. And with contouring, you make your own rules, sis. Make your own rules. You're not supposed to use the same beauty blender I do. That's why I had to do that, because I jacked up on my nose contour. But when you contour, make sure you set it up with a contour type of powder. And with that, I did that. So now, with eyes, we're going to use a City Mini Palette by Maybelline collaboration with Makeup Shayla. We're going to use that right there. That color that you saw. we're gonna attack the crease, eh? We're gonna attack the crease. I know y'all saw France win the World Cup. Woohoo! Sorry. I'll get back to focus. I'm gonna attack the crease with that color that I just showed you guys, and shout out to Africa. But I'm gonna attack the crease, and it's very important to blend with that color. I'm gonna also bring it up to my brow bone, if that's what you call it, and just to give it that nice even creased colored look. And then my next look, give it a little, I'm going to give myself a nice cut crease. Now y'all know I don't do cut crease, so just do something special. I am going to do my cut crease and just do, like I said, do a cut crease. And I'm going to use my JUVIAS palette, and I'm going to use that color right there. They don't really have their name on their palette with the colors, so yeah. So I'm going to use that eye that I just did the cut crease for, and I'm going to attack it, Everything's going to be soccer terms. Attack it. I don't even think that's the soccer term, but I'm going to attack it with the gold, okay? We're going to give it the nice gold, bronze looking look. And yeah, give it that look, and I'm going to do the same thing with the eyes. When I do cut crease, I try not to open my eyes because I have people in this house don't listen. Do you not know I am recording, bro? Like, you can't even sing. But anyway, this is how the cut crease is gonna look like. And the ends of my the lids, the outer corner, I'm gonna use that color that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna give it that nice dark effect. Okay, it's gonna look really cute because I'm chocolate, so it's gonna look like we got the golden ticket and the eyelids. So attack that part right there with that color. And then with my under eye, I'm going to use that brown that I did my outer corner with, and I'm going to attack it with my under eye. Just be careful it doesn't go into your eyes. And then I'm going to go back in with my NYX liner in the color brown. I think it's the color brown. They don't really have colors. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I never see like names on the NYX lip liner. But yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. Now I'm going to go back with the City Mini palette gold. And I'm just going to use my finger, flick off those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet. But if you have subscribed, thank you. And I'm going to use this brush doesn't have anything on it. So I'm going to use that just to blend everything together. Just blend it and everything together. That's what makes the eyeshadow pop, if you blend it. And then for my lashes, I'm going to use the same lashes that I used in my previous video. Lashes takes forever for me, okay? I'm still like a newbie when it comes to lashes. Sometimes it don't glue on correctly. For my bronzer, I'm going to use my Black Radiance. I need to find a new bronzer, but I'm using my Black Radiance like you guys saw. My voiceover is not even matching the video. But I tell you this though. Check this out, yo. I finally got my lashes. Bam! Look. Oh! We did it. Hooray. Yo, we did. Anyway, with my blush, I'm going to use my Black Radiance blush. I can use the same thing in every video. I think the purpose of being an influencer is to try different things. So I got to start trying different things, which I will be doing. But for the lips, I did try the NYX. Usually I use my MAC. But this time around, I tried the NYX New York. And with my lips, I was going to use the NYX, but I decided to try the Maybelline. I honestly don't even remember what it's called, but yeah, I'm going to leave everything I used down below, so look out for that. And then I decided to try out my NYX. Well, I wanted to mix it together because I feel like the NYX brown nude wasn't dark enough. Because I was aiming for the dark lip, which dark lip, well, that type of dark don't fit me, but hey, it's whatever. And for my highlight, I always have to highlight the nose, okay? So I hit it up with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, okay? I hit the cheekbone, I hit the other cheek, and this is how the look like. What? Anyway, I know my hair needs to get done. That's not cute, but focus on the face, okay? Focus on the face. C'est la figure que ça compte. I don't even think I said that right. But I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.